To open the front windows, press the window regulator button on the corresponding side to that you wish to open. Closing the front windows follows the same process. Simply pull up on the window regulator button. In order to open and close the rear windows, you just need to briefly press the rear control panel until it lights up. Now you can press the window regulator button for the corresponding side in order to open it. To close the window, press the rear control panel again until it lights up, and pull the window regulator button up. To use comfort control, you can press the rear control panel until it flashes. You can then open all 4 windows at the same time, using either of the 2 window regulator buttons. To close all 4 windows, press and hold the rear button until it flashes. You can then close all of the windows at the same time, using one of the 2 window buttons. Once the ignition has been turned on, the rotary switch for adjusting the wing mirrors always starts in the neutral position. To select the exterior mirror on the left or right, simply turn the rotary switch in the corresponding direction until the desired symbol, L or R, lights up. In order to adjust the mirror into the desired position, press the rotary switch in the direction of the arrow, for example to the left and/or backwards. To retract the wing mirrors, turn the rotary switch from the neutral position to the left until the symbol for retracting the exterior mirrors lights up. To extend the wing mirrors, turn the rotary switch from the retract position back to the neutral position. At temperatures below 20 degrees centigrade, the wing mirrors can be heated electrically. To do this, turn the rotary switch from the neutral position to the right until the symbol for heating the wing mirrors lights up. Once activated, heating is at maximum power and adjusts to the ambient temperature after 2 minutes. The electric child lock prevents the rear windows and doors from opening. You can use the control panel to activate and deactivate it. When the child lock is active, the symbol for the child lock will be illuminated. Simply press the symbol to activate or deactivate the child lock. And finally, the control panel can be used to operate the central locking system. When the lock symbol is illuminated, the vehicle doors are locked. To unlock the doors, just press the illuminated lock symbol.